So I'm going to be doing problem 17 from the chapter 11 in the ACS study guide. So starting off with this, it's asking us what are the major products of this reaction. So we can see by our starting material, this is going to be a Diels-Alder reaction due to the diene and the dienophile. So you always want to start off by labeling your carbons, and I always do it like this. I label 1, 2, 3, 4 around the diene, and then 5 and 6 around the dienophile, and you can do it in either order just as long as you keep your final product consistent. So a little trick for this is we know that the double bond here, one of these is going to be eliminated, and then the other one is going to shift in between 2 and 3. So we know that there's going to have to be double bond between 2 and 3. So we can automatically eliminate A because this double bond should be here, not over here. So we can eliminate that. And then another trick is this double bond here is going to be reduced unless this is a triple bond. If this is a triple bond, then we will see double bond in our answers. But since this is only a double bond here, it's going to be reduced to a single bond. So we can already just know from knowing those two things, conclude that the answer is going to be C. But if you are not very comfortable with doing that, I would draw it out like this. So I would start with your chair structure. You can also draw it like this. I just find that the chair structure is easiest for me. So I draw it like that, and then you want to draw your bridge to identify that you have a 6-membered ring over here and on this side, which this shows the same thing, 2 6-membered rings connected. And then you're going to move your double bonds that were once in between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to in between 2 and 3. So just like that, and this you can see is 2 and 3, and then this carbon up here is 1, this one right here is 4. And then you can go down here and label this 5 and 6. I'm actually just going to switch these two just to make it a little bit easier to visualize. Okay, so now we don't have any anything coming off of this, so we're just going to keep this original 6-membered ring how it is, but we do have some things coming off of here, and you can see that they are in a cis configuration and not trans, or I'm sorry, they're in a trans configuration and not cis, so therefore we have to put them into different positions on this. So I would start by just doing one of them up, and then one of them, make sure that it has the other one. And then you can draw in your hydrogens, but those are kind of given. So yes, this is going to be the final product. Oh, and then obviously also the enantiomer.